Good morning all of you. Today we can start a new chapter, shapes and patterns. Okay, next lesson. So that is, this name is shapes and patterns. And we know different shapes around us. Okay, but some basic shapes we want to study. That names are rectangle, square, triangle, circle. That you already know, that we learned in second standard. Okay, different shapes. Rectangle, one shape is rectangle, square, triangle and circle. Can you say any example for one shape for rectangle shape? Any example, anything you think from your home itself you can say. You can find out any example for that rectangle shape. Yeah, door. Okay, door. Then another one, window. Any otherwise book. Our book is also in which shape? Rectangle shape. And so many things are there by that rectangle shape. And when we consider a rectangle, here I make a cutout of the rectangle shape. Can you see? So this shape is called a rectangle. So for this rectangle, we know how many sides are there. This is one side. Then another one, that is second one, third, four. So total 4 sides are there for a rectangle. Okay, how many sides? 4 sides. One side is from here, this side. And another side is this one. Third one, fourth one. So 4 sides are there for a rectangle. And here you look, these corners. These corners we can say one name, that's vertex. What is? In mathematics we will say it is vertex. Vertex. How many vertex are there for a rectangle? That we can see 4 vertex are there. Okay, vertex. Its plural form we can say as vertices. Is it? If it is 1, we can say vertex. If it is more than 1, we can say it is vertices. So, how many vertices are there for a rectangle? 4 vertices. One vertex. Here I give a name for this vertex A, this vertex B, then C and D. So, here 4 vertices are there and we can give the name as one vertex A, as English alphabet capital letter we can use for representing that vertices. So, one vertex A, another one B, this is the vertex B, then this one vertex C and this is vertex D. Okay, so this way how many vertices are there? 4 vertices are there. Now we discussed about sides also. So side we will represent like this. First one side we can take it as this side. This name of this side, you know how we can name it. So you find out the first vertex here A, second vertex B. So the name of this side will be AB. Okay. So one side. So this is vertices. Sides we can say, give the name like this. One side we got AB. This side. So first vertex A, this vertex B. So we can name this side as AB. Next this one. What is this? This side, this vertex is A, this vertex is C. So this side we can name it as AC. Okay, AC. Now this side you look. What is the name of this side? This is vertex C, this vertex is D. So the name of this side we can say CD. And one more here. What is the name? Then what will be the name of this side? This will be BD, because this vertex is B and this vertex is D. So we can name it as BD. Like this. How many sides are there? 4 sides and here 4 vertices. This is the shape of rectangle and different things we can see that in rectangle shape. Okay, different shapes are there. Our windows, doors, and our mobile phone. So many different things are there, and you want to imagine some more examples, and you want to notes how many shapes you got. Okay, how many examples you got for the shape rectangle. And next shape is square. Square. What is the difference of square and rectangle? Do you remember? Square also have how many sides? Square also have 4 sides. But square is this type. What is the difference of this? Both of this. Here, these 4 sides will be equal length. But in the case of rectangle, you look, this is only, these 2 sides are equal and these 2 sides another length. Okay, there 4 sides are not equal. But in the case of square, these 4 sides will be equal. And also for a square also, how many vertices are there? One vertex. This vertex means corner. How many corners are there? 4 corners. One corner, its name P, its name is Q, then R, S. Okay, P, Q, S, R. Or anyway we can give the name for this P, R, S, Q. Okay, so here also for a square also there are 4 vertices and 4 sides. So one side, how we can represent the side? This side, here the vertex is P, this vertex is Q. So the name of this side will be, all of you say, PQ. Okay. Now this vertex P, this vertex R. So the name of this side will be PR. Okay. Next, this R, this S. So the name of this side will be RS. Okay, so for a rectangle and for a square, there are 4 sides and 4 vertices. Okay, now using with this square shape, can you see anything? Any example can you see with the square shape? In your home sometimes there will be a square shaped clock. Okay, square shaped clock. And also when it's another examples, so many examples we can see in the case of this square also. Okay, now another shape, next third shape is triangle. Triangle, do you remember triangle? How many sides will be there for a triangle? Anyone remember? 3 sides. Okay, and 3 vertices. Okay, like this. The shape of this triangle will be like this. Okay, so this vertex X, this vertex Y, this vertex Z. Okay, so how many vertices are there? That means how many corners are there? 3 corners or 3 vertices. One name is X. This vertex, how we can name? Here the vertices are X, another one Y, third one Z. Okay, now how we can represent the sides? This side will be represented as XY. Okay, when we represent side, we want to represent both vertices. Okay, so XY. Next, this side we can YZ, and this side we can write as XZ. Okay, so these are the main shape, that is basic shapes. Okay, basic shapes in mathematics. First, that is rectangle. One we discussed rectangle, and this is square and triangle. Okay, and one more shape is there. What is that? Circle. Circle, all of you know. Okay, circle with shape this type. Okay, circle. Now you look this circle. Can you see any vertices for this shape? Any vertices are there? That means any corners are there? No. So a circle has no vertices. Okay. So it is a circle shape, there will not be any vertices and no sides. Okay, so we cannot give any name for that, for this circle. Then another we will represent using circle. We will study another things, that is will be study in higher classes. Okay, so a circle has no vertices and no sides. Okay, next. So these are the 4 basic shapes. All of you want to study the correct spelling of these shapes: rectangle, square, triangle and circle. Okay, all of you write 5 times. Study by writing 5 times each shapes you want to write 5 times. Okay, in your notebook and study well. Now one more we can repeat. This is a rectangle and we can see different shapes in our home with rectangle shape, and a rectangle has 4 vertices. Vertices. What is the name of this? Vertices. Vertex. If it is only one, we will say vertex. Vertex A, vertex B, C, D. Okay. Just like it is a triangle. For a triangle, how many vertices are there? 3 vertices and also 3 sides. And for a square, there are 4 vertices and 4 sides. And a circle has no vertices and no sides. Can you say any example for this circle shape? Any circle shape examples? Bangles. Okay, bangle and circle shape clock will be the different examples are there. Okay, and cap of one bottle. Okay, that also will be in round circle shape. So all of you understood the main basic shapes. Okay, these are the basic shapes in mathematics. All of you want to study how we represent the vertices and how we represent the sides. That also we want to know. Okay, so all of you study well and study the spelling of these 4 shapes. Okay, thank you.